Hello and welcome to History Through Question. Today's topic is memorial stones. So let us discuss. So it is an ancient practice और ये काफ़ी parts of India में मिलता है हमें इसका evidence और ये जो basically जो practice थी it was for the erecting memorials to dead people, that is the erecting memorials to dead people. So it was associated with the dead peoples. Thousands of the memorial stones are found all over the country, but at the same time it was also witnessed that it was not always connected with the burials. Now जो ये memorial stones होते थे have sculpted scene and that was associated with the both realistic as well as the symbolic also. At the same times जो others हैं it only possess some inscription जो कि उस stone की that is the उसका origin या फिर कुछ और इंफॉर्मेशंस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. इन तमिलनाडु में द एक्ट ऑफ इरेक्टिंग मेमोरियल्स है उसको जो रूट ट्रेस होता है फ्रॉम द मेगालिथिक कल्चर. इन तमिलनाडु में जो इरेक्टिंग मेमोरियल्स हैं ये उसका जो रूट है इट वाज बी फाउंड इन द मेगालिथिक कल्चर. अब यही जो कल्चर है इट वाज ग्रेजुअली ट्रांसफॉर्म्स ऑफ द मेगालिथिक कल्चर इनटू द हीरो कल्ट और उसका हमें एविडेंस कहाँ मिलता है. वी गेट दी रेफरेंस इन संगम लिटरेचर बिकॉज द रिचुअल्स फॉर इरेक्टिंग हीरो स्टोन्स that is the Nandkal was also mentioned in the Tamil grammaticals works. Okay, so specimens of hero stones are available only from the 6th century onward. हम इसका specimen जो hero stones का specimen कब मिलता है it was we found only the 6th century afterwards. Okay, ये जो rituals है for the erecting the hero stones it was also known as the Nadukal. So it was another name of मेमोरियल स्टोन्स. जो मोस्ट कॉमन मेमोरियल स्टोन्स है बट इरेक्टेड इन द मेमोरी ऑफ द डेड हीरोज. ठीक है, और ये सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है डेड हीरोज ये मेल्स ही होंगे, विमेन्स आर ऑल्सो देयर. ठीक है, और स्पेशली जो विमेन्स होती थी दोज विमेन्स हु कमिटेड द सती. ओके, एट द सेम टाइम्स देयर आर अदर काइंड्स एज वेल. Stones were set up in an honor of the Jaina men and women who gave up their lives in the exemplary Jaina fashions of the death by the starvation. So हमें ये witness होता है कि ये जो Jaina, so these memorial stones are also associated with the both Jaina men and women. Okay, ठीक है, और basically who gave up their lives in the exemplary Jaina fashions of the death by the starvations. और ये इसका फेमस हम इसको एक नाम से कहते हैं ये जो starvation के सलेखना. That was the end in order to achieve the salvation. तो उसके लिए और क्या बेसिकली सब चीज़ हल्के हल्के खाना हर चीज़ कुछ भी नहीं लेते हैं. इट वॉज लीड टू डेथ और ये लास्ट स्टेज है दैट इन द जैना फिलोसफी. ओके, नाउ ऑन द कोंकण कोस्ट मेनी स्टोन्स वर इरेक्टेड इन द मेमोरी ऑफ द सेलर्स हु लॉस्ट देयर लाइव्स इन द सी बैटल्स. सम मेमोरियल स्टोन्स वर ऑल्सो वर्शिप्ड. जो मेमोरियल स्टोन्स हैं वी ऑल्सो फाउंड दैट दीज मेमोरियल स्टोन्स आर ऑल्सो वर्शिप्ड. So it was not on just symbolic or provide some informations, but it was also in religious elements attached to it. Okay, now the memorial stones and their inscriptions, जो उसके inscriptions होते हैं ये reflect the values and the ideas that ancient society or the ancient communities associated with the life and death. In the Andhra region, such stones are known as Andhra regions में इन स्टोनों को हम क्या कहते हैं? That is the छाया स्तंभ, छाया स्तंभास. और नागुर्जुनकोंडा में there are the memorial stones in the memory of various kings, queens, soldiers, chieftains, generals, holy people as well as the artisans. So there are n number of peoples ठीक है, जिनके लिए ये मेमोरियल स्टोन्स इरेक्ट किए गए थे. नाउ द लार्जेस्ट कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द मेमोरियल स्टोन्स वी फाउंड इन द कर्नाटका, एंड इट वाज अ proven fact due to with the help of archaeology. ठीक है, सो वी फाउंड अबाउट 2650 हीरो स्टोन्स, एंड उनका जो टाइम पीरियड है इट वाज बिटवीन द 5th to 13th सेंचुरी. नाउ द इंस्क्रिप्शंस ऑन सम ऑफ दीज गिव्स ओनली अ नेम, कुछ हमें नेम प्रोवाइड करते हैं, सम अदर डिटेल्स ऑफ द सर्कमस्टेंसेस इन विच द पर्सन डाइड. एट द सेम टाइम द हीरो स्टोन्स यूजली कमेमोरेटेड मेल्स, बट सम विमेन रेफरेंस भी हमें मिलता है. Okay, so there are also some interesting memorials for pets. So ये that is solely नहीं है कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये लिविंग इंडिविजुअल्स के लिए, that is especially the male and the women, but also for pets as well. Now ये जो tradition है of the memorial pillars lives on in the certain part of the India today as well. Example in the Karnataka and among the tribal communities of the Gujarat and the Madhya Pradesh, especially the tribal ऑफ गोंड इन मध्य प्रदेश. तो ये जो ट्राइबल असेंबलीज हैं, सो ये जो प्रैक्टिस है इट वॉज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन स्पेशली अमंग द ट्राइबल्स पीपल. वन सच ट्राइब इज गोंड that was found in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, these memorials are linked with the beliefs and the rituals that was related to the death as well as the afterlife, and a very important part of the cultural life and the identity of the people. So ये जो मेमोरियल्स हैं किससे लिंक्ड है? It was linked with the beliefs, जो भी उस कम्युनिटी का बिलीफ है, as well as the various rituals that was related to the death or the after death, afterlife, and a very important part of the cultural life as well as the identity of the people. One question related to this. Consider the following statement regarding the memorial stones. First statement says that the memorial stones are found only in the South India. Second statement says that the memorial stones were erected only in the memory of dead heroes. So both these statements are wrong, because the memorial stones are found all over the India, in whole country, in north as well as in south. On a second statement says that the memorial stones were erected only in the memory of dead. No, there is no, although most of the ये जो memorial stones हैं are found basically in the memory of the dead, but it was not always the case. Okay, so in this way both the statement are incorrect, so the correct answer is D. And thank you very much for watching this. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you.